What does designing for circularity look like in practice in the industrial equipment industry? Considering the variety of customers within industrial equipment, the answer could be completely different depending on industrial equipment segment. Let me answer from a generic standpoint. From the engineering phase, we can think about reducing raw material with 3D printing, lightweight engineering and simulation, material development by developing new material, developing, testing, qualifying them, new material that are easier to recycle with a lower environmental footprint. Modularization for modernization, to be able to improve line modules, just what is needed and when is needed, withstand with the product performances. Quality improvement also to extend product life cycle and product reliability. From the manufacturing phase, they can work on process optimization, where to buy, where to produce, what's the dimension of the batch to produce. Quality related with manufacturing waste, so doing right at the first time. Transportation optimization, so how to fill as best as possible trucks to deliver finished product. Also in the operation, spare part management, for instance, this is a very important topic for industrial equipment. By optimizing spare part management, our customer can reduce spare part obsolescence waste, but also scrap related with inventory quality. And this could be done by optimizing safety stock in each warehouse, depending on what will be the demands in the future. But also overall equipment efficiency linked with product as a service business model. If we move to end of life stream, our customer can work on disassembly, refurbishing techniques, but also second-hand practices. As you can see, we run all along the value streams, but most of these activities are related to the engineering phase. So it's key to embed the circularity mindset since the engineering phase, because it will impact all the other value streams.